Which one are you on, Summer?
So I just left this one, and what's the next question?
2, 3, 4.
Okay.
Which one are you on? Huh? Okay. Well, we'll continue now. So, if we can go to the next page there, please, Summer.
Yeah.
Next page. Magnitude and direction. Something which we know from physics. So what we're going to do is magnitude and direction. So I think what we'll just do is we'll just do these questions together. So in the first question, A is 1386 2, and B is 3168 and minus 2. Okay? So let's answer these together. Do we think it's true or false? So let's check. Magnitude of A plus magnitude of B is equal to magnitude of A plus B. Let's see. Well, firstly, the magnitude of A, that is root 13 squared plus 86 squared plus 2 squared. Yeah? And magnitude of B, that's 31 squared plus 68 squared plus 2 squared. And that's equal to the magnitude of A plus B. Now, A plus B would be 44 squared. Yeah? 154? Is it? 86 plus 68?
Yeah.
Plus 0 squared. Is that true or false? That will be false. They're not equal. So that's not too bad. I'll let you write the first one down because we'll do these together. So we'll do B now in a second. Do you want to just write down A? Yeah? Okay. Do we think this is true or false? Let's see. So, A magnitude plus A magnitude, does that equal 2 times magnitude of A? That's going to be true.
Yeah.
I mean, you can check it if you like, but it's kind of just like saying x plus x equals 2x. So that's definitely true. No need to even check it. Now, next one though, if you multiply by 2 and get the magnitude, is that the same as getting the magnitude and then multiplying by 2?
No.
Well, let's see. Let's check. So this is square root 2a. So that's 26 squared plus 172 squared plus 4 squared. Does that equal 2 times root of 13 squared plus 86 squared plus 2 squared? What do we think? I think is that false? Or is it, oh my goodness, I wrote true here. No, hang on. It's true. No, this is true. This is true. This is true. isn't it?
Yes. Oh my god, I lost my calculator.
Because you can see here, this is 16,
Yeah,
and this is 4,
yeah,
and when the 2 goes in, it goes in as a 4.
yeah. Oh my god, I lost my... Oh.
D. Magnitude of AB equals magnitude of B minus magnitude of A. So remember, AB is B minus A. Does that equal this? Let's check. So this is square root, 31 minus 13 squared plus 68 minus 86 squared plus minus 2 squared. Does that equal magnitude of B minus magnitude of A, where B is 31 squared plus 68 squared plus 2 squared, and this is 13 squared plus 86 squared plus 2 squared. And that's going to be false. They're not equal. Okay. And the last one, E, does the magnitude of AB equal the magnitude of B minus A?
Yes.
And yeah, that's true. Okay. 2A. The magnitude is 68 and the direction is 28. What's the vector? Well, that's easy. You know this from physics. It will be 68 cos 28 and 68 sine 28. Could one of you tell me what that is, please?
I 60.
60?
Yeah, and 31. 32. 32.
Okay. Now, I'll continue, but I'll let you try one now. Can you try number 3? Just give number 3 a try. You have it done, go? So, first we better calculate AB, which is B minus A. So 32, 27, 88, and minus 99. And so the magnitude will be square root 27 squared plus 88 squared plus 99 squared. What's that, 135?
Yeah.
135. Okay. Now, in number 4, I give you vector A, there's A, and there's point A, and there's O, and I give you vector B, there's vector B, there's point B, and I want to know what is the distance between A and B. I'll let you think about that for a minute, then I'll show you. Try number 4. We want to calculate this distance here. Got that? Yeah? So what did you do, Gao?
Same as last question.
Ah, very good, okay. You figured out that the distance is the magnitude of the vector AB, which is the magnitude of B minus A, which is what we did last time. So what answer did you get?
25i, 162j, and minus 94.
Minus 94, you want the magnitude of that?
Yeah.
Did you calculate it? It's square root?
Yeah, it's 189.
189. Nice. Okay. Now, number 5. But before I do number 5, just to understand something. This word here, unit vector, and I usually write it with a little hat on it. What's special about this vector is that its magnitude is 1. That's why we call it a unit vector. Okay. So, for example, is this vector a unit vector? No, because the magnitude is what? What's the magnitude?
5.
5, which of course is not 1. Okay. So let's imagine you have this vector here, 3i plus 4j, and you want to make it a unit vector. Make a small version of it that has a length of 1. How could we do that? Any ideas? Well, firstly, how big is this vector? 5. And how big do you want it to be? 1. So it's 5 times too big. 1 over 5, yeah. So 3/5 and 4/5. That would be the unit vector. That now is length 1. So the rule is the unit vector is the vector divided by its length. This will make it a unit length. You get the idea?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, well then let's see if you can do it. Give 5a a try. 5a. Yeah, well, it's the vector that I want. So what's the vector?
5 over 95.
5 over 95.
And next is 90 over 95.
And then 30 over 95.
Yes.
That's the unit vector.
Oh, we don't have the simplifier.
Well, you should. Summer didn't, but that's okay. Yeah? Okay. So look, maybe we'll get 3 lessons done today. Yeah, we might get 3 lessons done. So there's only one question left, 6. So I'll let you try 6 by yourself, and then I'll do it.
What's the first question?
Alright, let's have a look. So, A is 1, 2. B is 3, 4. And the first question is C is equal to lambda plus 3 mu and 2 lambda plus 4 mu. That's the first question. Yeah.
Finish.
Yeah. Okay, now you continue. You try B.
Multiply.
Guys look stuck. Do you know what to do?
I think
Maybe.
so. So answers wrong.
I think.
No. I got wrong the lambda.
Okay.
Just it's too simple. I was thought that C was lambda, for example, like one lambda, 5 mils, and then just equals 1.
Hmm. Okay.
I don't know how to do D.
Okay. Okay. Let's have a look. So, the next part here is what's the magnitude of C. So that would be square root lambda plus 3 mu squared plus 2 lambda plus 4 mu squared. Right? So that's square root lambda squared plus 6 lambda mu plus 9 mu squared plus 4 lambda squared plus 16 lambda mu plus 16 mu squared. So that's square root lambda squared, 4 lambda squared, 5 lambda squared, yeah? 6 lambda mu, 16 lambda mu, 22 lambda mu, plus 25, yeah? 25 mu squared. That's the magnitude. C. What is the relationship between lambda and mu if C is a unit vector? Well, if C is a unit vector, that means that 5 lambda squared plus 22 lambda mu plus 25 mu squared should equal 1 if it's a unit vector. Okay. D. First let me get what AB is. So AB is B minus A,
Yes.
which is 2 and 2.
Yes.
Okay. Now, you are told that C is parallel. Oh my goodness, there's one R in parallel. Parallel to AB.
Yeah.
And what did we say C was earlier? Lambda plus
Plus
3 mu?
yes, and
2 lambda
plus 4.
4 mu. That is parallel to 2, 2. Okay? Now, you should also know that 2, 2 is parallel to 1, 1. Because when you have vectors, if they're parallel, it just means, you know, there's a different number in the front. Like that could be A, that could be 2A, that could be 3A.
Yeah.
So, if this vector is parallel to 1, 1, it means that these must be the same.
Yeah.
That lambda plus 3 mu must equal 2 lambda plus 4 mu, which means lambda plus mu must equal 0. That will make them parallel to AB.
And also the M must be the same.
The M?
Yeah, like the magnitude.
The M must be the same. Yeah, you could think about it like that as well. Yeah. So you could say 2 lambda plus 4 mu over lambda plus 3 mu must, 2 over 2. What happened to you? What happened to you? No. No problem. No problem. It's 10:10. What's the problem? Okay, okay. I know what the problem is. You were asleep.
No.
Okay, okay. Did you email me?
No.
Oh, Ben, my heart. Okay. Continuing.
So can I write the lambda equals 1 and the mu equals minus 1?
No. Because they could be 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4.
Okay.
Lastly, we want to find lambda and mu. So we know that lambda plus mu equals 0.
Yeah.
And from earlier, we also have 5 lambda squared plus 22 lambda mu plus 25 mu squared equals 1. Yeah? So we could say lambda equals minus mu and put that in. So we get 5 mu squared minus 22 mu squared plus 25 mu squared equals 1. Right? Yeah? So let me see, that's 8 mu squared equals 1. So mu equals 1 over root 8, which is 1 over 2 root 2. Yeah? Which is root 2 over 4. And so lambda, plus or minus root 2 over 4. So then lambda would equal minus or plus root 2 over 4.
I use another way to calculate this.
Okay, did you get the right answer?
I think it's right.
Did you get my answer?
I got that it's 1 over 2 times root 2.
Okay, fine. You should write this down. Go, did you write this down? Did you get the right answer?
I didn't compare.
Ten, 12 now.
I think it's 9. Sorry.
You thought it was 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
How?
I don't know.
Wow.
Okay.
Do you not know how to tell the time?
Ask my 3.
This is the problem.
Stephen, can I say the C number C?
Hmm?
C, question C.
C, you want to see C, okay. This is the question on the... Summer, can you just show Ben what question we're finishing?
So it's the... Yes?
No, I think we're going to do 3 lessons today,
Yes.
because they're short lessons. Are you ready for the next lesson? Okay. You'll have to watch the video, Ben, I'm afraid. We have 2 videos to watch.